So guys, how do you create the masterpiece that is the Big Mac? I'm going to show you in this video. In my opinion, this is much tastier than the Big Mac one. Obviously with it being closed at the minute, I can show you how to make it. Start off with a pickle, that's completely out of focus but it's a pickle nonetheless, and a little bit of onion. Really finely dice those, as fine as you can, then into a bowl. When you realise that your spoon doesn't fit inside the container, just tip it on. You're going to want half a teaspoon of some onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, followed by 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar. Hit that with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of American or French mustard, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, and then add in your pickles and your onion. Give that a right good mix together so that all the ingredients are really well incorporated. And there you have it guys, believe it or not, you've just made the tastiest homemade Big Mac sauce. Better than the original in my opinion, tastes absolutely delicious. Next thing to get on with is obviously going to be the burgers. So true to McDonald's tradition, all we're going to use is nothing but 100% British beef and a little bit of salt. That is it, nothing else. So I've got a cookie cutter, which is obviously going to make the shape of the burgers, a little bit of oil for lubrication, and some parchment paper to put it on. So into a bowl, just season your mince, and then with your fingertips, and just your fingertips, just give it a light little mix together. Don't overwork the beef, otherwise they'll go too thick and horrible. Lubricate your fingers a little bit, rub that around the rim, and then obviously we're going to make the shape of the burgers. Now it's time to fry these bad boys off. So when you start cooking them, just season both sides with a little bit of salt. You want to cook these low and slow. You don't really want to get much colour on them. If you look at a McDonald's burger, there's hardly any colour on them, and that does affect the flavour. Give them a good toss over, and that is it. It's as simple as that. So all we need to do now is obviously assemble this beautiful burger. I'm using a brioche bun. So start with the base, a tablespoon of your sauce, followed by some shredded lettuce, slice of cheese, and one of your burgers. Another base, another bit of your sauce, some more lettuce, another slice of cheese, and then I'm going to hit that with some pickles. Follow that by another burger, and then with your top. Easy as that guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please stay at home, please stay safe, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks guys.